Mr. Santhi, you were telling us about collective intelligence.
Yes.
Who are the people who are behind the cutting edge research that's happening in this field at the moment?
Right. So there is a research center at MIT University which focuses on the study of collective intelligence. The center's mission is to find novel answers to one basic question, such as, and I quote, how can people and computers be connected so that collectively they can act more intelligently than any individuals, groups, or computers have ever done before, end quote. But before I get into that example, we should realize that first of all, people are involved in creating the software and also modifying it over time whenever necessary. And people are also involved in doing some of the tasks that computers cannot do by themselves. So we saw Google as an example of this, where people create content and computer programs indexes automatically and remembers vast amounts of information. With respect to jobs, yes, it has replaced reference librarians completely, but we also have to remember that it has generated a lot more jobs for creating, searching, and advertising. Now, let's take the example of Wikipedia again. So in the case of Wikipedia, people create and edit the content and computer scans the information for obscene words and plagiarism. Though it has completely replaced encyclopedia books, it has greatly improved the scope and timeliness of the information and also the frequency of using the encyclopedia. So because of this because of the above phenomenon, Professor Tom Malone, who's actually the founding director at MIT, emphasizes that we should be looking to design and optimize not just computer systems, but rather human computer systems. And this is the very important differentiation. Like, if we optimize only the computer systems, then we won't get an intelligent system. We have to optimize the human computer system. And he also has given a framework for us to do that. One useful way, he says, is to divide the task between computers and people in terms of 4 roles computers can play relative to people. Those 4 roles are: number 1, tool; number 2, assistant; number 3, peer; and finally, manager. So we shall be discussing more about these 4 roles later. My personal opinion is that if managers use this framework, their thinking will be more strategic when it comes to prioritizing their AI projects, and they can expect better results on their investment.